Imagine this. Every volcano on Earth, from the smallest crater to the giants like Yellowstone and Mount Fuji, all erupting at the exact same moment. Lava floods, thunder-like explosions, and ash clouds turning day into night. It sounds like a movie, but what if it actually happened? Welcome to Professor Wonder, where we explore impossible scenarios with real science. So today, let's find out what would happen if every volcano on Earth erupted at once. Right now, there are about 1,500 active volcanoes on the planet, and if we count the ones hiding beneath the oceans, that number could reach tens of thousands. Most volcanoes quietly release small puffs of gas or harmless lava flows, but if they all erupted at once, that would mean billions of tons of magma, smoke, and ash bursting into the sky. At first, it would look like hundreds of firestorms rising from every continent. The oceans near underwater volcanoes would boil instantly. Entire cities close to volcanoes would vanish within minutes. And that's just the beginning. Within hours, the sky would darken across the world. Ash clouds from thousands of eruptions would block sunlight, turning day into an endless dusk. Airplanes would be grounded, crops would die, and temperatures would drop fast. Massive lightning storms would form inside the ash. The sound of explosions and thunder would echo non-stop, like the planet itself was growling. Lava rivers would cut through forests and towns, releasing toxic gases. Even people living far away would find fine ash falling from the sky like gray snow, coating everything. Homes, oceans, entire countries. And just when people thought it couldn't get worse, the real danger would begin: the volcanic winter. After a few weeks, Earth would be trapped in darkness. Scientists call it a volcanic winter, a time when billions of tons of ash and sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere block sunlight for months or even years. Temperatures would crash by more than 10 degrees Celsius. Crops would fail, forests would die, and the oceans would become colder and more acidic as ash mixed with the water, killing marine life. Humans would face extreme cold, starvation, and chaos. Cities powered by solar energy would go dark. Trade and travel would stop completely. And clean air, something we take for granted, would become one of the rarest resources on Earth. The planet would survive, it always does. But for humanity, it might feel like the end of civilization itself. After the darkness, only one question would remain. Could humanity start over? Some people might move underground or into protected domes to escape the toxic air and freezing temperatures. Others might create new ways to grow food without sunlight, using artificial light or underground farms. Years later, the skies would begin to clear. The ash would settle, and the sun would finally return, revealing a scarred but still living planet. Volcanoes have destroyed worlds before, but they've also created them. Most of the land we stand on today was born from ancient eruptions. Even in destruction, Earth finds a way to rebuild. Maybe that's the real lesson. No matter how violent nature gets, it always starts again. If you enjoyed this volcanic nightmare, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more wild science stories, and as always, stay curious.